Hey, what's up, people? It's Marco, and today I have a little bit of an unboxing that I'm going to do. So this package that I ordered came way sooner than I expected. I was expecting this by the end of the week, but it actually came here today. So it's Fano Mexico. So you can find this at the shops here in the United States. You actually got to go to Mexico. So I was able to go ahead and find this through eBay from one of the sellers for the Coca-Cola thing promotional they have. So you can get one of two jerseys, either the black one or the red one. And they do have small, medium, and large. So as you can tell, it's basically identifiable here. So this is gonna be a red that's very sought after. And you have this. So we're gonna about to open this and find out what we got with the jersey. It's actually pretty hard to open. All right. So here we are. Of course, you get the jersey right here. The official Adidas Mexico jersey. And of course, you have your Cokes as well. Little mini Coke cans here. And let's look at the jersey. Really very well packaged. This, as you can tell, it's an official Adidas jersey. And this is a medium. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a small, so got the medium. And from what I heard from other viewers and other unboxing, the red one is actually pretty sought after and very rare to find. You basically will find black. So I guess I got lucky with the red. And you can tell it's official Adidas red tag jersey. So it is a real jersey. Okay. So here it is. Now the printing, this is more like maybe like an iron-on, kind of like sticker. It's not the official press logo. So I'm not sure how much this is gonna last, doing laundry, but we'll try to take care of it. You have the Coca-Cola logo here, and you also have the FIFA logo here. It's not that much of a quality. If I have to describe the quality of this, it's like those jerseys that they give out at the baseball games, so those promotional jerseys they give out. So it feels like that type of material, not the premium one as you would get with the authentic jerseys. But not bad. So this actually did set me back. If you do get these in Mexico, if you're able to find them, they're at the Walmarts in Mexico and the Sam's Clubs in Mexico. So at the store, Sam's Club, I heard it's around 998 pesos. And like at the Walmarts, it's like a little over 1100 pesos, which is about 75-ish dollars, somewhere around there. So you're pretty much paying for the jersey. The sodas, you can get these for a couple of bucks over there, but again, here it is. Very nice. Can't wait to try this on. And I'm gonna try to sort out for the black one because I really like the black one too. So wish me luck trying to find it out there. But yeah, I like this one. Seems like it'll be a perfect fit. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.